Introduction: a tapestry of luxury, unveiling India's finest. From the snow-capped Himalayas to the sun-kissed beaches of Goa, India unfolds like a vibrant tapestry. Ancient traditions whisper in the wind, carried on the scent of spices and incense. Amidst this sensory feast, a new generation of luxury hotels rises, each one a testament to India's rich heritage and commitment to unparalleled hospitality. Step into a world where every detail is a carefully curated experience, designed to transport you to a realm of pure indulgence. Imagine waking up to the gentle lapping of waves against a pristine beach, the scent of frangipani blossoms filling the air. Picture yourself dining under a starlit sky, the strains of traditional music weaving magic around you. These are not mere hotels, but immersive experiences, designed to awaken your senses and create memories that will last a lifetime. Join us as we journey through some of India's most opulent escapes, exploring the unique charm and allure of each destination. In the heart of Rajasthan, where time seems to stand still, lies the Oberoi Udaivilas, Udaipur, a palatial oasis. Spread across 50 acres of lush gardens and shimmering water bodies, the hotel offers a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of Rajput royalty. Intricately carved domes and arches, inspired by the architectural marvels of Udaipur's palaces, create an aura of timeless elegance. Courtyards adorned with fountains and flowering bougainvillea whisper tales of romance and chivalry. Each room and suite is a sanctuary of luxury, featuring traditional Rajasthani decor, private balconies, and breathtaking views of the city palace or the serene Lake Pichola. Indulge in rejuvenating treatments at the spa, inspired by ancient Indian wellness practices, or embark on a boat ride across the lake, where the setting sun paints the sky in hues of gold and crimson. Rising from the tranquil waters of Lake Pichola, like a mirage shimmering in the desert heat, is the Taj Lake Palace, Udaipur, a floating vision of romance. Built in the 18th century as a pleasure palace for a Rajput prince, this architectural marvel now stands as an iconic symbol of love and romance. Accessible only by boat, the Palace Hotel transports you to a world of unparalleled beauty and serenity. White marble walls adorned with intricate latticework reflect the sunlight, creating an ethereal glow. Courtyards filled with fragrant jasmine and the gentle sound of fountains create an atmosphere of tranquility and seclusion. Dine under the stars on a floating platform, serenaded by traditional Rajasthani musicians, or simply lose yourself in the breathtaking views of the city palace and the Aravalli Hills, painted in hues of gold and purple as the sun dips below the horizon. In the heart of India's bustling capital, the Leela Palace, New Delhi stands as a testament to the city's rich Mughal heritage and contemporary spirit. Soaring arches and intricate jalis, reminiscent of Mughal architecture, blend seamlessly with modern design elements, creating an ambience of understated luxury. Step into the grand lobby, adorned with exquisite chandeliers and intricate floral arrangements, and be transported to a world of refined elegance. Each room and suite is a sanctuary of comfort, featuring plush furnishings, state-of-the-art technology, and breathtaking views of the city skyline or the hotel's lush gardens. Indulge in culinary delights at the hotel's award-winning restaurants, offering a delectable array of Indian and international cuisines. Unwind at the rooftop infinity pool, offering panoramic views of the city, or explore the nearby historical landmarks, such as Humayun's tomb and the Qutub Minar. Escape the hustle and bustle of city life at Amanbagh, a secluded oasis nestled in the rugged Aravalli Hills of Rajasthan. Inspired by the Mughal-era pleasure gardens, this tranquil retreat offers a sanctuary for the soul, where you can reconnect with nature and rediscover inner peace. Pink sandstone pavilions with soaring cupolas and private courtyards blend seamlessly into the natural landscape, creating an atmosphere of understated luxury. Each suite features a private plunge pool, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding hills. Embark on a camel safari through the desert, explore the nearby ruins of Bangar Fort, or simply relax by the pool, surrounded by the tranquility of nature. In the evenings, dine under a canopy of stars, serenaded by the gentle breeze and the sounds of the desert. Experience the magic of the Taj Mahal, one of the world's most iconic monuments to love, at the Oberoi Amarvilas, Agra. Located just 600 meters from the Taj Mahal, this opulent hotel offers unparalleled views of the monument from every room and suite. Inspired by Mughal architecture, the hotel features intricate marble inlay work, cascading fountains, and lush gardens reminiscent of the Mughal era. Each room is a sanctuary of luxury, featuring private balconies or terraces offering breathtaking views of the Taj Mahal. Witness the ethereal beauty of the Taj Mahal, bathed in the soft glow of sunrise or sunset, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Indulge in culinary delights at the hotel's award-winning restaurants, or unwind at the spa, offering rejuvenating treatments inspired by ancient Indian wellness practices. Step back in time at the Taj Falaknuma Palace, Hyderabad, a restored 1894 palace that once belonged to the Nizams, the rulers of Hyderabad. Perched 2,000 feet above the city, this majestic palace offers panoramic views of the City of Pearls and a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of the Nizams. Intricate stucco work, Venetian chandeliers, and a collection of rare antiques and manuscripts transport you to a bygone era of grandeur and extravagance. Each room and suite is individually designed, reflecting the palace's rich history and architectural heritage. Embark on a heritage walk through the palace, discovering hidden courtyards, secret passages, and a collection of vintage cars. Indulge in a traditional Hyderabadi feast at one of the palace's exquisite restaurants, or simply relax by the pool, surrounded by the beauty and tranquility of this architectural masterpiece. Escape to the cool climes of Darjeeling, nestled amidst the rolling hills of the Himalayas, and experience the colonial charm of the Glenburn Tea Estate. This 19th century tea plantation offers a unique blend of history, luxury, and breathtaking natural beauty. Stay in one of the estate's charming bungalows, featuring cozy fireplaces, verandas overlooking the tea gardens, and personalized service that harks back to a bygone era. Wake up to the aroma of freshly brewed tea and embark on a guided tour of the tea plantation, learning about the tea-making process from leaf to cup. Trek through the surrounding forests, enjoy a picnic by a cascading waterfall, or simply relax on the bungalow's veranda, soaking in the breathtaking views of the Kanchenjunga, the world's third highest mountain. From the palaces of Rajasthan to the tea gardens of Darjeeling, India's luxury hotels offer a tapestry of experiences as diverse as the country itself. Each hotel is a destination in its own right, steeped in history, culture, and a commitment to providing unparalleled hospitality. More than just places to stay, these hotels are portals to another time and place, where every detail is carefully curated to create an unforgettable experience. Whether you seek adventure, romance, or simply a sanctuary to unwind and rejuvenate, India's luxury escapes offer something for every discerning traveler. So pack your bags and embark on a journey of a lifetime, where memories are woven in silk and stone, and the magic of India unfolds before your very eyes.